Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set up time in your NTorq. First, ensure your scooter's ignition is on. Then, find the mode button on the instrument cluster. Press and hold this button for approximately 3 to 5 seconds until the time display begins to blink. This indicates you are now in the time setting mode, ready to make adjustments. Once the hour digit starts blinking, you can adjust it. Simply press the mode button repeatedly to cycle through the hours. Each press will advance the hour by one. Continue pressing until the correct hour is shown on the display. Take your time to ensure accuracy before moving to the next step. After setting the hour, press and hold the mode button again for about 2 seconds. This action will switch the blinking from the hour to the minute digits. Now, just like with the hour, press the mode button repeatedly to advance the minutes. Stop when the precise minute is displayed on your NTorq's console. To finalize your time setting, press and hold the mode button for a final 3 seconds. The time display will stop blinking, indicating that your adjustments have been successfully saved. The new time is now active on your NTorq's digital console. You have successfully set the time on your scooter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.